So let's just practice identifying the slope and the y-intercept of lines in slope-intercept form. So let's say we had the equation y equals 3x plus 6. Anyone want to take a stab at what the slope of that line is? 3. Okay, so the slope is 3. How nice. Don't have to calculate it anymore. Can anyone guess the point at which it crosses the y-axis? Positive 6. This would be the y-intercept. Excellent. Okay, another example here. If we have y equals negative 4/3 x minus 5/2. Anyone want to guess what the slope is now? Negative 4/3. Right, this is the slope. Where does it cross the y-axis? Negative 5/2. This is the y-intercept. Excellent. And this last graph, y equals 0.1x. Anyone want to guess what the slope is?
0.
Oh man, you guys are... See? So exciting. Where does it cross the y-axis?
It doesn't.
It doesn't?
Does it?
That's impossible. Unless the line is undefined.
Is it the same thing?
An undefined line would look like this. That's the only time it has no y-intercept, but we know that our slope is not divided by 0. We know it's 0.1, so it has to be slanted. It's got a positive slope, so it's going to do this. And it will cross eventually. Question is where? What is the value of b? 0. It's not there. Technically, you could go like this. Does that change the equation at all?
Mm-hmm.
No, you're adding nothing, right? But it does kind of reveal the y-intercept. So it crosses at the origin in this case. Okay, so this would be the y-intercept. One very, very important piece of information is what happens when a line crosses the y-axis. Okay, so if I have a line and it's crossing the y-axis somewhere, at this point, at the point of the y-intercept, the equation is able to tell us the y-coordinate of that point, right? Here it was 6, here it was negative 5/2, here it was 0. What would the x-coordinate be at that point? 0, right? That is very important. And it may seem quite obvious at this point, but it's really easy to forget that. Okay? But it becomes important when you're trying to find the y-intercept using some other information that you're given in a question. Okay? So don't forget that. The x-coordinate at the y-intercept always, always, always has a value of 0. Okay? So make sure you write that in the little blank down at the bottom of your paper. So, quick test. What is the value of x when I cross the y-axis?
0.
The enthusiasm is building. Excellent. Put it this way. If I asked you to tell me the coordinate of the y-intercept, right, in this case, you would write 0, 6. This case would be 0, negative 5/2. This last case would be 0, 0. Regardless of what the value of the y-intercept is, the x-coordinate is always 0. That's the point I'm trying to make. Make sense?